Hi Internet, it's Jason here from Godlike Productions. Another H9000 short tutorial or little tip. You can see on our screen here, we've got this USB audio muted. This is on OS X. So the easy way to get around this is just to bring up our audio MIDI setup. Make sure that we're in our audio window. So audio devices. Go down to a H9000 USB audio, and we just want to change this from whatever it's set on. At the moment mine's 48, let's just change it to 44.1. And then let's just change it back to 48. And now it's all gone. So if we go back to the emote, you'll see now that it's gone down the bottom here. And I've just got mine set up, so I'm running off a word clock, and that's what it's synced to. So it all syncs back to my UFX 3. Right, guys, that was just a short tutorial. Show you how to set that up. Would appreciate any support. So hit the subscribe or buy me a coffee at the link down below, and hope this helps you guys out. See ya.